Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Man, it's been raining every day outside, so I can't get outside and make no videos outside. So I wanted to show y'all these LS706 heads that I just got. I bought these heads off of eBay for about 200 bucks. They come into the mail and I sent them off to Katech. Katech offers a package. It's a CNC Port bundle. It's about $1,200. What they do is they disable, wash, CNC Port intake exhaust runners. They do a complete valve job. They hand blend, cylinder head deburb, and then they sketch the Katech logo on the head right here. And I think it come out really nice. If you see here, this is how dirty the heads were. I mean, look how funky that is. They were that dirty when I sent them off to them. And this is them nice and clean. Beautiful, beautiful job they did. You look up in here, you see all the part work done. See all the work done in there. I couldn't be look, I got brass guides for the valves. I'm super happy. I can't wait to put this together. This is all the new valves. It's like a work of art. You know, if y'all trying to look for a place to send y'all stuff off to get it worked, I will tell y'all, try this out. This is the way I went for my build for my truck. 706 heads. I went with these heads because I like the way the compression was set up for when you go and turbo it. I didn't want to get super crazy heads or this and that. I wanted a little compression. So you know, if y'all looking for a place to send your heads to, try Katech, man. I'm show y'all later on a video how to put these together, how to assemble them, and after that we're gonna have more videos of the red truck. We're gonna put these on the truck for the horsepower build. Check me out, like and subscribe. See y'all later.